Hi guys, welcome to another Manny Monday. I'm in the mood for some funky spring nails. So I've got my prime and base on, and the colors I'm gonna be using today are Fairy Dust Shade by Finger Paints. Is just kind of a blue iridescent sparkle. Cool Blue Harmony by Finger Paints. This one's a sort of pastel Easter blue, breaking out all the spring colors. C&D Shellac Polish and Bicycle Yellow. And ASP All Season Professionals in the shade Lovesick. I'm gonna start out by taking the pink polish. I'm gonna have to do 2 coats of this, so bear with me. And we're gonna do a French on all the nails. Except for my gimp nail, which I'm just gonna do all solid pink. So I've got 2 coats of the pink on, and now I'm gonna throw on a coat of the Fairy Dust. And now the fun part. On my palette, I'm gonna put a big bloop of yellow and another bloop of the blue. I'm gonna take my dotting tool, get some yellow on there, put one right here, dot of yellow, down here, body yellow. Cure those. And then I'm gonna take some blue on a little thin brush. I'm just going to dot and pull it. If you get spring vibes from that, then cure it. And there we have it, our sparkly spring nails.